Myntri Rangbah Jylla Conrad K Sangma hakakhatsan tarik Kyllalyngkot ula pynbna ban pynkup burom Mei-ieid Kmoin Wahlang nongmareh thong bala kynjoh hinyopun riu snem deka Khusnam Kiang Nangbah Award ka Khusnam baheh tam jong Jylla bynta nongialehkai sports persons kajuh kapor ula pynbna ru ban ai ka Khusnam U Tirot Singh Award halor phang arts and culture U Sembertush A Sangma Katba bynta ka Khusnam Pa Togan N Sangma Award la jied ban pynkup Rev W C Khongwir halor phang baula no synniang hakaroi pa haka imlang salang social services.
The formal announcement will be made on that day, but I am happy to inform all of you regarding the awardees. So the U Tirot Singh Award for Art and Literature, we have approved the name of Shri Sembertush A Sangma, who is from Rongkhon, Tura, Garo Hills. His name has been brought by the advisory committee, which is headed by the Chief Secretary, and we have approved that name. The Pa Togan N Sangma Award for Social Service, the awardee, as recommended by the committee, is Rev W C Khongwir. The third is U Kiang Nangbah Award for Sports and Games. The awardee is Srimati Kmoin Wahlang, who is our long distance runner. I think all of you are aware of her. So these were the three people who were selected, and this will be officially announced on Meghalaya Day, 21st of January. Yeah, if you have any questions,